Hi everyone, welcome to CAPSA. Today's topic is antigen antibody reaction. Okay, which is known as AG-AD reaction. So actually it is the interaction between antigen and antibodies that is known as antigen antibody reactions. Okay. Now what is epitope? So antibodies recognizes some molecular shapes on antigen for binding, and that shape or part is known as epitope. And you should know that better the fit, more favorable the interaction will be formed between antigen and antibody. Now we will see what type of chemical bonds form between the antigen and antibody, okay, during the antigen antibody reaction. So maximum actually non-covalent bond, and the intermolecular forces which are involved in antigen antibody bindings are first one is electrostatic bond, second one is hydrogen bond or also known as H bond, third one is hydrophobic interactions, and the fourth one is that is van der Waals bond. Okay, now we will understand what is the term affinity. Okay, so affinity actually measures the strength of interaction between epitope and antibodies antigen binding site, okay, or the fragment of antigen binding. You need to go through the structure of antibody, then you will be able to understand. one mathematical formula which expresses the affinity, that is Ka equal to antigen antibody concentration divided by antibody into antigen concentration, where Ka is the affinity constant and Ag concentration is the molar concentration of antibody antigen complex formation. And concentration of Ab denotes the molar concentration of unoccupied binding site on the antibody. And concentration of Ag equal to the molar concentration of unoccupied binding site on the antigen. Now you should keep in mind that low the affinity of antibody, bind with the antigen will be weakly and dissociate easily. If the high affinity of antibody, then this antibody bind with the antigen tightly and remain the bond for longer period of time. Now we will understand what do you understand by avidity. Okay, that is also known as functional affinity, and it is measure the total binding strength, or you can say the strength of bond formation between the antigen and antibody complexes. Now, what are the types? What are the types of antigen-antibody reactions? We will see. So, the first type is agglutination reaction. Second one is precipitation reaction. And the third one is complement fixation test. And the fourth one is neutralization reaction. The fifth one is immobilization test. Sixth one is opsonization. Seventh one is immunofluorescence. And the eighth one is radioimmunoassay. And the ninth one, last one, is enzyme-immunoassay. We will understand each of the part in the next lecture. So this is the end of my lecture. If you like my video, please do like, comment, share and subscribe. Thank you for your patience.